When you're dealing with wide openings in carpentry, like big windows or doors, knowing how to spread out that roof load so it doesn't cause sagging or even collapse is clutch. So, the first thing you gotta do is use a big header made from engineered wood or something real sturdy. Don't just slap a regular 2x4 up there and hope for the best. Then, double or even triple up your trimmers, the studs that hold up the header, because they're doing a lot of heavy lifting. Make sure those trimmers sit right on solid bearing points, like a wall or beam below, so the load has somewhere legit to go. Always follow what the engineer says, especially about the sizes and spacing of everything, because winging it can lead to disaster. Check the whole load path from the roof all the way down to the foundation to make sure no weak spots are hiding. If you're unsure, get an engineer's input before cutting anything, since mistakes can be super expensive and dangerous. Using metal hangers or brackets where needed also helps keep everything tight and secure. And don't forget proper flashing and sealing around those big openings to avoid water damage over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make when distributing roof load over wide openings is underestimating the size and strength of the header, which leads to sagging ceilings or worse. Fix this by always going with engineered lumber size for the exact load and span. Another common issue is not doubling or tripling up trimmers enough, which causes uneven load transfer. The fix is simple. Add more trimmers to spread out the weight properly. Lastly, ignoring bearing points or placing them on weak spots can cause structural failure. Always verify bearing locations with a pro and reinforce if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with roof framing and carpentry. It also helps contractors connect with clients looking for quality work on projects like these, making sure everyone wins.